Action, Ivy.
Fear Abe Lincoln in my war cry!
E equals MC2.
Holly, you aren't that swift, are you, girlie?
Don't call me that. How dare you? No, how dare you?
Holly, you're not swift, and neither is lcaiasic.
What? Hey, get back to the thing.
I am Abe Lincoln.
All
Fear
right.
my war cry.
So, according to Ivy, this is the 1920s and 1985?
Yeah, you know it! E equals MC2.
Apparently...
It's alright, YouTube. We agree. She's not that swift.
Don't! Stop calling me that already!
You know you can't, Holly, but you know it can't be true. If a battery comes, you know it's MC2.
Fine, spell entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur. O-N-T-R-A-P-A-W-N-E-W-E-R.
No,
Holly, we don't question my spelling.
it's E-N-T-R-E.
You're short.
R-E.
Want me to make you shorter?
E-U.
Don't make me take your vertebrae. I'm gonna compact them like an accordion. Hey, those are my war tubes.
I think someone already did that to your brain.
Give me my war tubes. Give me my war tubes. You give them back. You give them back. I will break your vertebrae and call them Roberts.
Wait, how are people learning about the 1920s?
Because they're on Wikipedia listening to us. You knew it, Paul. We heard ya. Hear me on my war cry.
Your fabric thing came undone, Ivy. Ivy, how else do you expect me to act out Einstein? How do you expect me to be Einstein, Ivy?
Smithy at Hanselgruben. Snipper. Snipper. Holly, I'm cutting the film. You're being a cooperative little guava, and you know that for a fact. Don't make me snap some elastic in your face. Aha, my war tubes. Bye, YouTube. I'm gonna switch out my war tube. You do not raise your fear. Raise your fear.
Don't chase me!
Raise thy fears and bring forth the conquest.
Don't chase
Whoop! Howler monkeys, come to my aid. That's it. I hate